Hi there, welcome to Change. I'm going to show you how to onboard your MSUFCU account. So let's get started. As we enter into Change, you can see a carousel here that'll explain how Change works and how it helps you maximize savings towards your debt repayment to help you save time and money off of your loans so you can get debt-free sooner. So let's sign up and create an account. Let's use our email to sign up. Once signed up, we'll choose what debt we want to pay off first. So in this case, we'll choose student loans. Here are all the Change plans. Now for MSUFCU members, Change Basic is free, Plus and Premium have 50% discounts. But that will occur once you connect your MSUFCU account to the platform. You can also choose from bill monthly or annually if you choose to upgrade. So let's just choose monthly and basic, and I'll show you where the discount applies. We'll add in a few general pieces of information. Then when we enter in our phone number, we'll get a secure verification, validate our account. Next up, we'll add our student loan information. If you don't see your servicer here listed, you can tap the X in the top right corner and enter it manually. We have 100% coverage with all loan servicers. In this case, we'll connect a Mohila account. Once the information is securely imported into your Change profile, we'll confirm the information. Next up will be connecting your MSUFCU account. We'll use our credentials to log into our bank account. And here we'll have a congratulations. MSUFCU is helping you save $60 in regards to creating a Change account. So now Change Basic is free for all MSUFCU members. Here we'll select which accounts you want to round up. Now you can select any account you choose that you have open with MSUFCU. You can also link other institutions after within your settings menu. But in this case, you can round up for any account, whether that's multiple checking accounts, a credit card. You can select or unselect which accounts you want to analyze for roundups. Then you'll choose one funding. So as roundups come in from your credit card or other checking accounts, we'll pull those savings from one selected funding. After that, you're all done. And you can also earn a $5 promotion if you boost your savings today. And there we are, we're all set up.